Welcome to Autoplay, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 1927 BMW Dixi, a classic reborn with a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern enhancements. At the front, the Dixi maintains its signature elegance while incorporating refined updates. The redesigned grille features a honeycomb pattern that pays homage to its heritage while seamlessly integrating with the iconic circular headlamps, now upgraded with LED technology and built-in daytime running lights. The front bumper has been subtly reworked with larger air intakes that enhance cooling efficiency while complementing the vintage yet sporty aesthetic. The sculpted hood, adorned with gentle curves, adds depth to the classic design, while chrome accents and integrated fog lamps contribute to a sophisticated yet dynamic presence. From the side, the Dixi continues to exude a timeless yet agile character. Its compact dimensions are accentuated by smooth body contours and crisp character lines that suggest motion even when stationary. The vehicle rides on 15-inch wire-spoke wheels, preserving its vintage essence while ensuring modern performance. A fabric folding roof adds a nostalgic yet practical touch, allowing open-air driving without compromising the car's classic styling. Precision-crafted door handles and chrome window trims emphasize attention to detail, seamlessly blending heritage with contemporary refinement. At the rear, the modernized Dixi showcases a balanced mix of classic styling and contemporary enhancements. A subtle LED taillight setup is integrated into the signature fenders, preserving the vehicle's original silhouette while improving nighttime visibility. The rear bumper has been subtly reimagined with a chrome skid plate and dual exhaust tips that hint at enhanced performance. A high-mounted stop lamp and a classic spare wheel mounted on the rear further solidify its period-correct aesthetic while integrating safety and style. Inside, the cabin of the Dixi is a blend of vintage luxury and modern convenience. Upholstered in premium leather with refined contrast stitching, the seats offer a touch of opulence. The dashboard has been reworked to incorporate a floating 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity while maintaining the car's retro appeal. A fully digital instrument cluster retains classic analog-inspired dials, while ambient lighting enhances the overall atmosphere. A wooden-rimmed, flat-bottomed steering wheel with integrated controls offers both nostalgia and modern functionality, making the driving experience truly engaging. Under the hood, the modernized 1927 Dixi is powered by a 1.0 liters turbocharged Boosterjet petrol engine, delivering 100 horsepower and 148 Nm of torque. It is available with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, ensuring a smooth yet exhilarating drive. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autoplay.